Hello and welcome to the Cyber One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we will be unboxing this 3-axis Phone Ginbal Stabiliser. Now, while it's not listed on the box anywhere on the outside, this is a K-Mart Anko branded stabiliser. So let's have a look. It cost me $79 in K-Mart here in Victoria. In the box we get a bag to put the unit in or store the unit in. We have a manual. Okay, so it's a H4 model according to the manual. It comes with the gimbal, a USB cable and the user manual. So that bag must be a bonus. It is quick adjustable by hand, automatic adjustment of up, down, left, right, vertical shooting by hand gestures, one key back orient original position, scene mode, locked mode, half follow mode, full fly mode, and USB charging. It's got a little joystick on it, charging indicator, a run indicator, a button to activate the camera, and a power button. Turning it on is easy. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. Up, double press, and the stabilizer returns to the original position. Okay. Instructions on how to set it up with your phone and balance it. It has a 3-position switch to set the mode of operation, and it connects to the camera using Bluetooth. The little joystick on it gives you pan and tilt control. Okay, so not much in the instructions. Let's have a look in the packaging. Right, so that's a USB, micro USB charge cable for it. I can see the micro USB plug on the top already. On the bottom, if it'll focus, you can see it's an Anko. This may be sold under different brand names in different countries by other retailers. So that information on the back there could be useful. So let's install a phone into it. So it's just spring loaded. It. Okay, so there's a stopper on the top here that prevents it from going too far that way, and there appears to be another one at the bottom that prevents it going too far that way, so that's its center position there. You've got the same here, a stopper there, and the handle will rotate. I think it does actually tell us in the manual the range of motion. So what we've got is a little knob up here which is used to adjust the balance. Try and get it close to balance as we can. It's all manual at this point. Looks pretty good. So we'll lock it there. So Right, so we've got a power button, so hold for 3 seconds, turns on, connects via Bluetooth, and you can pan and tilt. And it seems to hold the camera fairly level and stable. It obviously can't control sideways movements, back and forth or up and down, but it can take out the rotation. So double clicking the power button returns it back to level. Right, so we have this 3 position mode switch. In the topmost position, it'll lock and hold whatever direction you set it, and the only way to turn it is to use the joystick. In the middle position, it will slowly turn back to middle. And it's a little bit quicker in staying in the middle position in that last position, but it does stop some of the rougher movements. Okay, so let's have a look and see what it looks like. Switch my phone to video mode. And start recording. Okay, so moving it around a bit, I can go up and down, left, right and left, and it holds quite well. So I'll bring this back so we can see picture in picture. Turn it slightly so we can see R2 a bit better. And turn it around. I must have hit the limit. And there's Fred. So this seems to work quite well. Use the joystick to keep things in focus, and you can see some of the other things I've played with in the past. Press the button and we stop our record, and it returns to center again. Now, something I have noticed with the pan and tilt, if I've got this at an angle, so this gimbal here is not vertical or horizontal, it's on an angle. Panning actually uses both this one, which is also at an angle, and that one. It's actually calculating the position to keep the phone level and pan, which is quite interesting. So we'll call that this video for now. It's only a very short video, and I'll have a play with this over the next few weeks and see what it looks like. If you like these videos, please click on subscribe and like. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.